We are having difference of vectors, so called subtraction of vectors. Okay. Now if A comma B be any two vectors, vector A and vector B written as like this, be any two given vectors, then vector A followed by additive inverse of B is equal to vector A followed by negative of vector B. Now subtraction, this one I am just writing it. Subtraction is defined as addition, subtraction is defined as addition of additive inverse of B vector B to vector A. Okay. Now let directed line segment vector OA is equal to vector A and directed line segment vector AB is equal to vector B in this figure. Now produce line BA to C such that produce line BA to C such that BA is equal to AC. Now then we are having AC. Now vector AC is equal to vector BA is equal to, now direction towards this side, direction towards this side, because we have produced downwards. Okay. So then vector AC is equal to vector BA is equal to vector, we can write it AB is equal to negative of vector B. Okay. Now vector A followed by negative of vector B can be written as vector A followed by negative of vector B, like this one. Now vector A is what? OA. Now negative of vector B is what? AC, and this is equal to OC. Triangle law of vector. Hence directed line segment, this is the line. Okay. Hence directed line segment vector OC represents vector A followed by negative of vector B.